My name is Beth Souchuns. I'm Director of IT Systems at AP&G Catchmaster in Bayonne, New Jersey. I've been with AP&G for 19 years. AP&G is a pest control manufacturer. We are adhesive-based pest control. We are the leading manufacturer of adhesive-based pest management supplies. So we've been on GP for about a little over 20 years now. There are a lot of issues just between our WMS system and GP. The data doesn't communicate properly. There's a lot of inventory inconsistencies. When we did move to GP, we dumped all of the legacy data into the new system. So there's just a lot of data that's not used. And there's been no data maintenance either. So there's a lot of cleanup. There's a lot of inconsistencies. And with the end of life with GP coming, we're just really looking forward to moving to BC. So we decided to use ArcherPoint because we are going about our implementation in a non-traditional way. We're trying to do a self-implementation, and due to that, we really were looking for a larger partner that could give us support in non-traditional ways in the areas that we were focusing on, that we needed to focus on, that we couldn't support internally. We actually did evaluate some other partners. I actually was not involved in the process at that point. Internally, we have a couple of people who know Jim Williams, and so we connected with him, and Jim has been great. And I think just honestly, personality-wise, it's just a very good fit for our business, and that was a big part of the decision as well. ArcherPoint's support through the implementation process has been amazing. Like I said, we've been doing this in a non-traditional way. So one of the areas that we needed help with was the accounting area. So we have been working with ArcherPoint for accounting for about a year now. And then we have brought on additional support for manufacturing processes and support for the Insight Work apps. And then now we've been using a lot more project management as well. The support now is just a little bit more all-encompassing. ArcherPoint's expertise has made so many differences. As far as I said, again, we were going about this in a non-traditional way, trying to do the self-implementation. So we've been able to work with ArcherPoint just in, anytime that we have questions or need some troubleshooting. There's obviously a lot to know about an ERP system, and this being our first implementation, there's obviously a lot to learn. So we've really had ArcherPoint has provided these resources for us just on a daily basis in so many areas, from, hey, what does this field mean, to, hey, what is this process and how should we fine tune it? And is this the best way to do it? So helping us decide on, the development that we should use. So many different areas. I am most excited about Business Central being live for data integrity and accurate reporting. We have not had inventory accuracy really since I've been with the company, and it's been a huge pain point for us. I was previously the Director of Customer Service, so to not have inventory accuracy is huge because we can't provide our customers the support that they need. Besides that, I'm also just looking for one source of data for everything and all of the processes in one system. Right now, we have an outside WMS system. We do our forecasting outside of GP as well. So to be able to have one system when everyone can see the information and be able to answer questions instead of having to go to outside sources is going to be huge for us. So beyond this implementation, I know that ArcherPoint is the right fit for us because of the support that they've provided us and the fact that they have been willing to work with us when we've decided to do things in just a different fashion. And the size of the company and the way that they've been able to scale up the help that they have given us so far, it just proves that they are there for the long haul and that they're willing to work with us. And I mean, that's a perfect fit for a partner in the future. I would most definitely recommend ArcherPoint for support as a partner. Again, just my experience with ArcherPoint has been amazing. Everyone is so willing to help, and just it's been such an amazing fit. And it's been really fun to work with everyone at ArcherPoint. The personalities are amazing, which, you need good personalities to be able to work through such a stressful project. So to be able to work with people who, know what they're talking about and to be able to help us stay calm is game changing.